Can a dead key fob battery cause issues with reprogramming after replacing the battery?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be tackling an interesting question. Can a dead key fob battery cause issues with reprogramming after replacing the battery? This question relates to our everyday vehicle use, and it's important to understand the different components that influence our car's functionality.
What is a key fob and how does it work?
A key fob is a small, portable device that controls various aspects of your vehicle. It can lock and unlock your car, start the engine, and even open the trunk remotely. The key fob communicates with the car through radio signals. It is powered by a small battery inside it.
Can a dead battery affect the key fob functionality?
When the battery in a key fob dies, the key fob's ability to send signals to the car ceases. This means you won't be able to unlock your vehicle remotely or use other remote functions. However, a dead battery does not erase the key fob's programming. That's because the fob's programming is stored on a chip that doesn't rely on the battery for memory.
Does battery replacement affect reprogramming?
When you replace the dead battery in your key fob, it should not interfere with the key fob's programming. The fob should continue to function as normal once a new battery is in place, assuming there were no other issues before the battery died.
What could cause reprogramming issues?
If you're having trouble with the key fob even after replacing the battery, it might not be a battery-related issue. The reprogramming issues could be due to a faulty fob or problems with the vehicle's receiver. A professional inspection might be needed if you are continuously facing issues even after a battery replacement. So, in conclusion, a dead key fob battery itself doesn't cause reprogramming issues after the battery has been replaced. If you're facing issues with your key fob, it could be due to other reasons that a professional should look into. Remember, your key fob is a crucial part of your vehicle's security system, so if you're having issues, it's important to get it fixed. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding key fob issues related to battery and reprogramming.